Alright. So I grabbed my chips. My dog and my cat are both here with me. I said earlier that I would do a inventory or whatever update. I don't know if there's anything new you guys need to see. I said I'd do an update anyway. So I have 8 diamonds now. I'm saving up for that eagle. I almost have 3,000 gems and I'm saving up for that too. It's gonna be a big thing for me because I'm really happy. Those are my items, same old things. It's my trade list, probably the same thing. I don't know if my items changed at all. But those are my den items. I don't think I need to scroll. Yeah, I do. There's 3 items I need to scroll for. I will show you around my den too. Oh wait, music. That's my music thing. I have some dead flowers there. What else is here? Yeah, there's the floor, and I got the golden egg. And you get that by finding all the eggs possible. I'm eating, yes I am. But this is my den. And somebody's in the house. Who would be?